Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello viewers, are again at breaking news this time. Previously, introduction, my name is Muhammad Wahyu Nur Hidayat. This time, I will bring news about men press cut for Jokowi's visit on Gunung Kidul. In the video, President Jokowi car with cat in Wonosari. When Jokowi sat at the stairs, there was a man stretching a banner that says, "Welcome, Mr. Jokowi. We have moved on. We choose Ganjar," he said when the man came was bleeding on the begin face. So it should be medical treatment, and that's it. Of the chronology, he received the victim came and stretched a banner. Then the banner was asked by a man around the Argosari market. Wonosari, the victim, was embraced and taken away. The party who executed the victim asserts the action threatened the president. Even though, according to him, this action is not threatening. Uppercut in the jaw. Earlier, the appeal examined the cutter and the nose where the nasal bone was bleeding from the person who was suspect of the. That's all from me. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.